Welcome to the English Beginner Zone. Hello, everyone. Today we are going to visit a bakery. You will hear a simple story between two friends, Toni and Diana, and a bakery worker. I will speak slowly, so don't worry. Before we start, I have a question for you. Please listen carefully. Here is today's question. What time does the bakery start baking bread? The answer is in the story. Try to listen carefully and find it. You can write your answer in the comments in English. This will help you improve your English faster. All right, are you ready? Let's start the video.
This mall is very busy today, isn't it?
Yes, but I love the energy here.
Me too. Are you getting tired?
A little. And I'm starting to feel hungry.
Look over there. There is a Subway.
Oh, Subway. I see the green sign.
Do you want to try it? I like it there.
I do, but I've never ordered there before.
Really? Not even once?
No, it looks complicated with all the choices.
Don't worry. I have a secret to make it easy.
A secret? What is it?
I'll tell you when we get to the counter.
Okay, I'm following you.
Here we are. It smells like fresh bread.
You're right. It smells amazing.
Look at the pictures first. It helps.
There are so many. How do I choose?
Just think about the meat you like. Chicken? Ham?
I think I like chicken best.
Then teriyaki chicken is the most popular choice.
Really? It looks very saucy and sweet.
Exactly. It's a very safe and tasty choice.
What do I say first? Bread?
Yes. Step 1, bread. Step 2, size.
Bread, then size. Got it. And next?
Then the meat, then cheese and vegetables.
Bread, size, meat, cheese, veggies. Wow,
Don't worry about the order. They will ask you.
that's a good point. They help me.
But the secret is to watch the numbers on the glass.
Numbers on the glass? I don't see them yet.
You will. They are small and very helpful.
I'm feeling more ready now, Toni.
You're doing great. Just stay calm.
Look at that bread. It looks so soft.
That's the Italian white. It's a classic.
I think I will pick that one too.
And the size? 6 inches small, foot long is big.
6 inches enough for me. I'm not a giant.
Good point. A foot long is a lot.
Toni, is it expensive? I see many numbers.
No, it's very fair. Around $8.
That's good. I have enough money.
We are next. Are you ready to speak?
Yes, let's do this. I'm excited.
You'll be great. I'm right here.
The vegetables look so fresh and green.
They cut them every morning. Very healthy.
Oh, they cut the bread right in front of us.
Yes, that's why it's called Subway. Fresh.
Wait, I see a small number 1 on the glass.
See, that's the secret. Just follow the numbers.
Wow, that makes so much sense now.
Hi there. Welcome to Subway. How are you today?
Hi, I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm great. What can I get for you today?
I would like the teriyaki chicken, please.
Excellent choice. It's one of my favorites.
Toni said it was the best. I'm lucky.
Now, what bread would you like today? We have white Italian, wheat, and honey oat.
I'll take the white Italian bread, please.
Perfect. And what size? 6-inch or foot long?
Just the 6-inch, please. I'm not that hungry.
Coming right up. 1 6-inch teriyaki chicken.
It looks good already, doesn't it?
Yes, The sauce smells very sweet.
Would you like cheese on that? We have American or provolone.
I'll have the American cheese, please.
Great. Now, would you like it toasted?
Toasted? Does it taste better like that?
Definitely. The cheese melts and the bread gets crunchy.
Yes, please toast it then.
Perfect. It only takes about 30 seconds.
See, the process is very fast.
I see the tomatoes and lettuce waiting for me.
Careful with those green ones. They are spicy.
No spicy food for me today, Toni.
And it's ready. Smells wonderful.
Wow, the cheese is bubbling. That's beautiful.
Which vegetables would you like on your sandwich?
I'll have some lettuce and tomatoes, please.
Of course. Anything else? Cucumbers, onions.
Yes, some cucumbers, please. No onions for me.
No onions. Got it. How about some pickles?
Pickles? Are they sour or sweet?
They are a bit sour and salty. They add a nice crunch.
Okay, I'll try just a few pickles then.
Just a few pickles. Perfect. And what about sauce?
There are so many bottles. Which one is best?
Mayonnaise is very simple and creamy. It's safe.
I'll have mayonnaise, please. Just a little bit.
Just a little bit of mayonnaise. Any other sauce?
No, that's all for the sauce. Thank you.
Great. I'll wrap this up for you now.
You are very fast at wrapping that.
I do this many times every day. Practice makes perfect. Please follow me to the register here.
Almost done. Now the final part.
Would you like a meal deal? That includes a drink and chips.
Oh, the chips look tasty, but maybe just the drink.
They have good water or soda here.
I'll just have a cup of water, please.
Here is your cup. You can fill it right over there.
Thank you. How much is the total?
That will be $8.50.
Can I pay with my card? It is easier.
Of course. Please tap your card on the terminal.
Like this? It made a beep sound.
Yes, perfect. It went through. Here is your receipt.
Thank you. I like to keep my receipts.
Let me get a tray for us. We need one.
Oh, we need napkins too. Where are they?
They are right next to the straws. See?
I'll take 5. I don't want to be messy.
5 napkins? Are you planning to spill everything?
Better safe than sorry, Toni. Which button is for the water? There are so many.
It's usually the tiny one. Let me show you.
Oh, it's very cold. That's perfect for a hot day.
Don't forget the lid. It prevents spills.
Snap. It's on tight now. And a straw. This is like a little puzzle.
Wait, I almost forgot. Did you see the cookies?
They look so soft. Are they chocolate chip?
Yes, chocolate chip and white chocolate macadamia.
Can I add 2 chocolate chip cookies, please?
Sure. That will be $2 more.
There we go. Beep. Now we have dessert.
I'll carry the tray. You find us a good seat.
How about that table by the window?
Good choice. It's bright and quiet there.
Phew. Ordering was actually quite fun.
I told you. It's like building your own food.
Look at my teriyaki chicken. It looks perfect.
The pickles look very green and fresh.
I'm glad I got these napkins. The sauce is dripping.
That's the best part. The sauce is the flavor.
It's so sweet, and the chicken is soft.
See? I knew you would like it.
Toni, how many Subway shops are there in the world?
Thousands. Maybe more than 37,000.
37,000? That's a huge number.
It started long ago, maybe in 1965.
1965? Wow, it's very old.
Yes, but it's still fresh and popular today.
This water is so refreshing after the sweet chicken.
Can I use one of your 5 napkins?
Of course, I have plenty to share.
Thanks. This teriyaki sauce is messy, but worth it.
We have 2 cookies left. One for you, one for me.
Perfect. They are best when the sandwich is finished.
I'm proud I used my English to order today.
You were very clear. The staff understood everything.
I was worried about my pronunciation of teriyaki.
It was perfect. Everyone knows that word here.
When we finish, we put our trash over there, right?
Yes. We take our tray and clear the table. It's polite.
I like that. It keeps the shop clean for others. Time for dessert. Let's try these cookies. Oh, it's still a little warm. So soft.
These are the best cookies in the mall.
This was much faster than a big restaurant.
True. Restaurants take an hour. This took 5 minutes.
And it's much fresher than just a burger.
Right. You choose the salad inside your sandwich.
Now I understand your secret about the numbers.
It makes the menu look less scary, right?
Yes, I just read 1, then 2, then 3.
Most things in English are easy if you find the pattern.
That's a very good point. Patterns help a lot.
Next time, will you try it alone?
Yes, I think I can do it now without help.
That's the spirit. You are a Subway pro now.
I feel full and very happy today, Tony.
Me too. It was a good lunch break.
What should we do now? More shopping?
Let's go see if there is a good movie playing.
A movie? That sounds like a perfect afternoon.
Let's clean our table first. Come on.
I'll help you with the napkins.
Into the bin it goes, nice and tidy.
Everything is gone. The table is clean now.
She is smiling at us. I think she liked your English too.
Thank you. See you next time.
You're welcome. Have a great day, guys.
See, that was a very positive experience.
I'm glad I wasn't too shy to ask for help.
Never be shy. Everyone has a first time.
My goal is to order coffee next time. Alone.
Coffee shops have patterns too. I'll show you.
You are the king of patterns, Tony.
I just pay attention to the details.
Bread, size, meat, cheese, veggies, sauce, and cookies.
You remembered it all. 10 out of 10.
Maybe tomorrow we can try the bakery over there.
Sure. Each place is a new lesson in English.
It's not just about the food. It's about being brave.
And being brave makes the world more delicious.
I'm so glad we came here today, Tony.
Me too. You made it a great day.
I will always remember my first Subway sandwich.
Next time, I'll let you pick the shop first.
Deal. I already have an idea in my head.
Oh? What is it? Tell me.
It's a secret, Tony. Just like your pattern secret.
You learned that from me too, didn't you?
Exactly. You are a good teacher.
Thanks, Diana. That makes me feel good.
Bread, chicken, and being brave. Perfect day.
And many more to come. Let's enjoy the show.
Yes, let's enjoy it together.
I'm glad you liked it.
I really did, Tony. Thank you.
Did you enjoy the story? Let me ask you the question again. What time does the bakery start baking bread? Did you find the answer? If yes, write it in the comments below. Keep practicing like this, and your English will improve step by step. On this channel, I share simple English stories with slow speaking and helpful tips. I will upload more videos like this. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. You can also join the membership if you want more content. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.